the world's sure still in a furor over the Comey firing, and everybody's freaking out. But what's even weirder is that Donald Trump calls Henry Kissinger in for a meeting, and what's even weirder than that is that, oh my God, Henry Kissinger can go to a meeting. The man has got to be 1,000 years old, and he was closely associated with the last president that got impeached. Trump, you dumb son of a bitch. I'm a Trump-loving supporter, and you just called in the king of impeachment guys to come and get help. You were so good at helping Nixon not get impeached. Help me, Henry Kissinger. You're 93 years old.
Thank you for watching.